What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario, Graham, and Ice again. Buckets in the house. We just have to bring him in here kasi hindi pa sila nag-meet ni Graham. So officially, this is your four-man panel for tonight.
So
Before
now,
anything else, wait,
wait
wait, wait,
lang.
Before anything
Bago
else,
lang.
please join the Facebook group
Mhm.
Six-Man
Yes,
Podcast
sir!
Dash Bench Mob.
Finally.
Uh, kasama rin doon si Ice is very active actually doon sa mga discussions natin, no? Yun lang, tapos na. This is
First time ko
the quarterfinals
maka-experience
day
doon
2.
ng healthy disagreement. Doon lang
Na,
ako
nataban na
Eh,
nakaka-experience.
namin.
filter talaga namin. Kausap namin yung mga mods. Meron kaming group chat. Tapos, filter na from ano pa lang. From approving
Wait.
posts pa lang.
No, I mean
Uh,
like, doon lang ako nakaka-experience ng hindi kami agree nung kausap ko, pero okay lang.
Parang okay
All
lang.
goods. All
Konti pa lang
goods.
tayo, bro. 1-3 pa lang. Wala pang 10k yan. Kasi
So-
parang i-cherish mo muna yung ganyan.
Honestly, man, Graham, now that you met Eyes, this is Graham. Graham, this is Eyes. Graham, you can go na if you want.
Wag naman.
Bro. Ay, dami ko nang biniling props, man. Don't cheat.
Go ahead.
Mag-i-Nebra jersey nga rin sana ako, kaso.
Patay. Oy.
Wag na. Baka marami click off.
Hindi, panalo kayo. Hindi, actually, ayos, diba? Pag panalo Hinebra, maraming
Malakas ang
malakas ang views. Alam niyo naman yan, it's really, of course, people watch podcasts and highlights na panalo yung team nila. Naturally naman.
Kaya pag naglagay Nebra sa playoffs, nalulungkot ako times 2.
Kalahati yung mga views natin, di ba? From
Oo.
yung 10k, nagiging 3, 4.
Laglag ka na, tapos wala ka pang Burger King.
Yeah.
Uy, speaking of Burger King, you know, I saw Ben Adamos in Burger King once.
Core memory.
Or memory yun.
Naman.
Did they lose
Hey,
that
bro.
game? Nung
Core
dumiretso
memory
siya
ko
for...
yun kasi the game ended at 9:30. Tapos, nasa Burger King na siya no 9:45.
Siya naligo.
Ligo.
Walang ligo. I gotta
Walang
get my
ligo.
BK bago magsara at 10.
Di naman siya
Oh my God.
di naman siya naglaro nung game na yun eh. So siguro di na kailangan maligo, nag-hoodie na lang. Okay na yun.
Bahay na lang. Oh.
Vera Damos catching strays. Alright.
Sobrang ganyan.
And he's already with
He's a
Terra Firma.
Technical.
Terra Firma Gene Kings.
Averaging 0.88 points a game.
Actually, nakita mo ba yun? Yung
Exactly.
0.88, sabi ko, grabe. Binigay sa amin yun. Binigay sa amin ni Lord yun. Makita yung stats na yun. Okay. This is the quarterfinals day 2 recap. Let's first start with this amazing game. Kasi sobrang boring. The next one. Kasi this is amazing. 113-104. This is a game where nakita natin pumutok si Andre Karakut for 29 points, his highest this conference, backed up by Kaylan Chongson and Jalen Johnson. And this is a game wherein Ross shot 19 for 46 from 3. Good for 41%. And that's a win for independent teams, beating the crown jewel
Mighty.
of Boss RSA,
The mighty San Miguel Beermen.
the mighty San Miguel Beermen, with Benny both, right?
Yep.
Where are we, boys, here?
Um,
Where are we at with regards to Rain or Shine? Sige, Graham, Ice, then Mario, para since apat
Great
tayo. Let's do
game
it.
by Ross. Again, this is the typical rain or shine na kahit sino pwede pumutok, di ba, on any given night. Now it's Karakut's turn, probably inspired by a couple of people from the crowd. Actually, not, but a specific person in the
Oh.
crowd, whether you like it or not. In siya yung nag-pick up na stack. Nokum was great in the first half. Tapos si Karakot, yung second half siya talaga yung bumanat. It was a great test of character din para sa Ross kasi they lost the big lead, di ba? They trailed after Jericho Cruz hit back-to-back threes pero hindi talaga sila bumitaw and the crowd was predominantly San Miguel. Pero man, grabe yung tapang ni Karakot talagang pag-open. Titira niya talaga and alam mo yung pag high school kayo naglalaro ka, saan yung crush mo? Ang tira ko talaga ng titira to, ganun, wala akong pake. Kahit sa Oblay, kasi, andyan siya, nanonood siya, di ba? So, there's probably someone in there na nag-inspire talaga kay Karakot na sobra. My goodness, the face card duo of Karakot and Chongson has to be at the top of the face card duos in the PBA.
So may
and
category ka na.
Oo, they did
Dalawang
very well
episode na
tonight.
yun.
Wala pa nga
Oo nga.
episode eh. Wala pa nga yung
We'll get there.
inaugural.
We'll get there. But bro, sobrang tapang maglaro ng Ross, wala talagang kinakatakutan. And tinakbuhan nila yung San Miguel when they can. And they did a very good job on just me, on Junmar Fajardo. They limited Junmar to just 12 points and 12 rebounds. Anemic yun, brother, for a Junmar Fajardo, who once again, I'm still very surprised na second in the BPC race, but finally he's not gonna win. They don't have an excuse to give the award to Junmar, so it's between RJ and Berto if he gets through the quarters tomorrow. Pero good job, rain or shine. I mean, sometimes we win the games we win and we lose the next series, and it's probably what's gonna happen. But
I just wanna say we were wrong,
very good
kami ni
team.
Mario. So, credits to Rain or Shine, mali kami doon. And nakakatawa do makita
Wait a
na...
Okay,
Wait a minute.
San Miguel ka, di ba?
Cue
Wait
the
a minute.
tape. Cue
Wait a
the
San Miguel
minute.
tayo.
Wait a
Cue
minute.
the tape.
Me and Mario. What about Graham? He
Graham
Cue
said,
the
Graham,
tape.
didn't you say? Ay, di, San Miguel pala tayo lahat.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
what
Sorry.
Hey, what happened to
No
post-nut
changes.
clarity? What happened to
No
post-nut
changes.
clarity?
Wala.
Your head is built like a.
Ah.
You can't say that. Okay. Brother, Graham, Mario, and Nico were wrong. We all
No.
said SMB in two.
Third party,
Okay.
Graham, Mario,
Yeah.
and Nico were wrong.
Yeah. We were all. The three of us were wrong.
But we're
Actually, I
glad to
saw a
be wrong
video.
here. We're glad to be wrong here. Kasi it's an independent team.
I
Technically,
can
guys,
relate.
we could also say Eyes. I'm so sorry, I'm gonna say this. We could also say Eyes was wrong. Also, he posted a
Mhm.
video about Karakut.
Karakut.
So we're all wrong here, and we're not gonna let
Sama na
the
timing
guy
natin
in the
lahat.
jersey.
Nah.
We're not
Sabi ko
gonna
pa,
let
wala
the
sa
guy in the
focus.
jersey change the
Nah,
dynamic.
guys.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. I'm just saying, man. And then Ice pala muna no bago. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Ice, go
it's okay. Ice, I want to mention, I had to bring you in here because ang daming videos ginawa sa Rain or Shine sa
Mhm.
Bakit sa Hoops highlights. How great is it for you to see them beat SMB here in a conference na they actually are doing well. Look like they could go the distance, reach the finals. So for you, after this one, anong overall thoughts mo sa Elasto Painters?
Masaya. Pero mababa kasi expectations ko eh. Kasi galing sila sa sunod-sunod na up and down.
Yeah,
Pero I
it's
think
always
mabuti
been
na
like
rin.
that.
No, mabuti na din kasi parang yung up and down na yun din yung naging reason kung bakit biglang nagkaroon ng explosion tong dalawang players nila.
Grabe, no?
Na
6-3,
Dalawang pogi.
7-3.
7.
Ba't napunta dito? Ayan, sorry.
7 kay Chongson.
Excited ka naman
7 kay
masyado,
Kaylan,
pero-
yeah.
Nagsabay pa talaga sila. Like sila yung
Grabe.
dalawang players sa team na to pag nanonood ako parang No.
Yes!
Sabi ko sa'yo, no eh. Diba? Pero ngayon parang, no. Yes! Ngayon lang tumama sila parehas.
I mean, let's be real. I think there's a reason may tumatama sa Ross na Andre Karakot eh. I was hearing some songs in my head when the game was going on. Every time Andre Karakot was hitting a three, alam mo yung ikaw pa rin ang hanap para pa, bro. Naririnig ko eh. I was like, ano ba yun? Oh my, kaya pala, andyan pala the other half of Beldre. Andyan pala si Micaela Belen. Andun
Wait, susula na ba?
Ha? Hindi man dito. Well, I don't know if it's true.
Ano ba? I'm so confused, to be
And
honest. Like,
admittedly, I'll be honest, I wish it isn't true.
you're also confused. You're also confused, no? Parang ano ba talaga? Or joke lang ba? Or totoo ba?
But I'm sorry, guys. Let's be so honest. Best game of Andre Karakut, maybe his career, and she's there. Come on, man.
Eliminating SMB pa.
Come on, man. So it was
May Bella Buff.
50-50. It was
Bella Buff.
50-50.
Yung parang
50% was Isis video hyping him up. Tapos the other 50% was Bella being there, man. So
alam mo yan,
tama-
Mario, real quick lang. Ayos ko na natanda mo. Yung parang pag nanonood dati si Chris Aquino, lagi maganda yung laro ni James Yap.
James Yap. Oo.
Yeah, di ba? Pag ando si Chris talaga.
Totoo yan.
Oh my God, James Yap turns into
Lagi may buzzer
top 5
beater.
player of all time. Oo.
Panapos ng
Grabe.
first half, no? Lagi meron.
Yeah, di ba? May mga buzzer beater, step back. Yung mga gano'n ni James Yap. So,
Tapos
ganun yung
isusum kay,
naramdaman
kay Chris.
Yeah, naramdaman ko kay Karakot kanina.
Meron
Go
pa
ahead,
yun dati
Mario.
Pasko, tapos ando na si Bimbi, kasama na ni Chris.
Ito si Bimbi.
Oo, may
Yun yung
ganun nga.
naalala ko.
Yeah,
Meron
oo.
yung JJ, yung layup ni JJ, nas ginanon pa eh. Alala ko
Yeah, yun
dati
yung
pa yun.
2008 yun. I remember that. All Filipino. Yeah, I remember that. But yeah, I agree with it. Mario, na he may be a bit inspired because of a certain someone. Pero, man, 13 3-pointers combined for both of them. It's hard to beat.
Dapat
That's just two
may
players.
dapat may gumawa dyan yung parang Jordan Poole edit.
Actually.
Pero yung kanta na ginamit ni Mario.
Actually, guys, to be fair, I was gonna play it, pero di ako sure kung magpa-play siya ng out
Baka
loud.
mag-copyright. Ay, hindi, may copyright ka. Hindi, wala naman siguro.
That's
Hindi
why I
naman,
did. That's why I didn't.
baka.
Pero ano mo ba? Dagdag lang to sa Beldry issue, kasi gusto ko lang pumatong sa issue. Medyo chamba siya na laging same day yung Ross pati Phoenix, no? Kasi she can say
Si Ponggay.
Si Ponggay din.
supporting.
Former team of
Ponggay supporting
F, by
F.
the way. Former
Oo.
team of F.
We can say
Yeah.
Ponggay supporting F. I might as well watch also. We can always say that, right? But on all honesty, man, good game from Dre, good game from Kaylan, good game from. I will say this one. The guy who I think people might forget, who deserves a bit of credit in this one, is Anton Asistio. Kasi
yeah.
end of the third quarter, Chris Ross hits a
Ah.
3-point shot, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Lamang na SMB ng 3.
Mm.
And usually at that point, dire-diretso na 'yun.
Mm.
Pero next possession down, and Anton Asistio hits the 3, tie game. Start of the fourth quarter, Anton Asistio hits another 3. Ross is up by 3. Brother, those are momentum swinging shots.
Actually, momentum
yung mga
swinging.
tinira ni Anton.
Agree, tama nga.
Oo,
Yes.
'di ba? Kasi if he misses the shot in the end of the third quarter, lamang yung SMB entering the fourth. Most probably we'll have a game on Sunday, 'di ba?
Yeah.
If he doesn't make the shot to start the fourth quarter and SMB converts, we most probably have a game again on Sunday. So, yun yung mga big shot na massive na, wow, okay, natamaan na yun. And then same, yung mga big shots ni Clarito. He had a end one play, I think. It was an end one on both
Mhm.
right. Pero wala talaga silang takot, man. Yun yung gusto mo sa Ross team na to, man. No fear at all. Graham was, I think Graham was the one who mentioned it kanina. No fear at all of SMB. And I don't know, maybe Motao Tua doesn't exist anymore in this world. Maybe he's on his way to wearing a red jersey without the black, just red and white. But Motao Tua not getting many minutes surprises
7
me.
lang.
Bro, that's little. That's really little for
May
Motao
both
Tua.
right rin kasi. Pero mas marami pang minutes si Chris Rosales more than Motao Tua.
Yeah,
Diba?
and hey, man, Wami, I'm back on your team, Wami. Let's send you back to a team that will actually use you, man. We're sending
yung naka-green, mga naka-green.
mga naka-green,
Bro,
mga naka-orange. Orange, pwede.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you something. Three team trade. Bawal yung sister team trade. Tautuwa goes to Magnolia, Javi goes to Ginebra, Sunny
Lalo.
Steel, and Jan Abis go to San Miguel.
San Miguel pa yung logi.
Uy,
Magbigay naman kayo San Miguel, kayo na nga lagi nag-chat.
Anong lugi? Number 11 pick yung Sunny Steel,
Yeah.
Sorry. Kakaya naman sa inyo.
May turnaround fadeaway yan nung nakaraan.
Diba?
Naka 3 points kanina yan, si Sunny
Oo.
Steel, right?
Ano pa yung nagawa niya kanina? Naka-technical foul pa.
Naka-technical foul siya. We'll get to Sunny Steel in a second. Man.
Kaya di pa tayo tapos dyan. Di pa tayo.
Gotta defend my guy. Pero for... are you done, Mario, with Radar?
Yeah, go ahead, brother.
Wait
No,
lang, dagdag ko lang sa Rain or Shine. 32 assists to 19 of San Miguel.
Bro,
So ganda rin
my
ang ball
problem
movement nila.
with that is naka-zone kasi yung San Miguel. So naturally, umiikot talaga yung bola pag naka-zone, di ba? Kaya dadami talaga yung assist ng Ross. And Ross is probably one of the teams na ang hirap talagang isona. Kasi lahat sa kanila, ito may 3 points. They're 5 out talaga. Yung pinakamalaki nila, Jalen Johnson, is probably their second, third best 3-point shooter. On any given night is their best 3-point shooter. So, mahirap talaga sanahan yung Ross. Pero marami yan, yung 32 assists. Kasi
That's a lot.
hindi rin naman biro yung depensa ng San Miguel. But yun nga yung gusto kong point sa San Miguel. I don't think they got out of the zone until malayo na yung lamang ng Ross. Talagang pinayagan nila. Sige, tira kayo ng tira dyan, di ba? If it hits, it hits. The problem is, kailangan minsan mag-a-adjust ka rin kasi mainit nga si Karakot eh. Yung mga 3-point naman ni Karakot talagang libre. Hindi naman siya talaga yung challenge by the zone. Talagang siya yung naiiwan libre sila ni Kalen. So, it's hard to beat a team na mainit na nga. Ayaw mo pang mag-adjust sa depensa. And in the end, it boiled down na masyado ng late yung pagdating ni Benny Boatwright. Nag-stick sila masyado ng... Actually, di naman sila masyado nag-stick eh. Talagang nag-awol na si Patton eh. Pero late talaga dumating si Boat.
Babalik lahat kay sa driver at kay
late
Patton.
dumating si... Yeah, right? Late dumating si Boatwright and they lost that game against Blackwater in the end na nagtank talaga sa standings nila? Would they have preferred facing another team? Absolutely. Pero heading into the quarters, di ba? 2 out of the 3 people in the squad picked San Miguel. So it probably wasn't really a bad matchup to
Bob.
begin with.
Ang
Pero-
rewriting history, bro.
Alam mo,
Ross just caught them on a bad day.
Alam mo, gang, you and I both have the same political standpoint, di ba? Ayaw natin sa mga revisionist history. What's
Yes,
happening
sir.
right now? What's happening right now, Gem?
Bro,
Are
you're
we not
only-
doing the same thing?
Bro, basketball players are only as
Hindi,
good
hindi.
as,
Are we
as
not-
their
wala,
last
hindi yun
Yes
yung
or no
usapan.
question? Yes or, are we not doing the same thing? Are you not doing the same thing right now?
I am, but I approve. I approve.
Okay.
I
So
mean,
on the record,
So you're on the other side now.
I'm only as good as the last video. What was the last
are
video we
we-
made? I said, I
Hey.
think Ross is gonna beat San
I
Miguel.
think I think I'm going to sleep in 10 minutes. I'm not going to sleep in 10 minutes.
I don't know, bro.
Take your cap off, rub your head, and go home, man. I don't care what you say.
No, bro, I picked Rain or Shine. I'm gonna stand with that. The same way I'll pick NLEX tomorrow. Pero man, si Marshall Lassiter,
Send it to
brother,
him.
I don't know if you're past your prime or something, but those
He is.
minutes have to go to someone else.
Yeah.
If you're not contributing on offense and you're not the same defensive player
Siya
na
tumitira, no?
ikaw
1 for
5
2.
years ago, 0 for 2, what are you doing there? Better wear your Apple Watch, man. Track your steps.
Wow.
That's all I'm
Wow.
saying.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. To Marshall Lassiter. Wow.
Wow.
Bro,
Wow.
Tuwami,
bro,
I get.
one of two. One of two.
Hey, man.
What are we
I
doing?
know what you're saying, and you're not wrong. I'm just saying, wow. To Marshall Lassiter. Wow. I respect it.
Hindi ba siya yung best player sa last na pagkikita nila sa San Miguel side? Like kahit talo sila no.
Bro, for me kasi si Marshall, he can always be the best player as long as he shoots the ball.
Siya tumitira kanina eh. 1 for 2 na siya. Hindi niya tumira kanina.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the thing. Marshall Lassiter. One last thing, and then Ice and Mario can go. Stop watching Ralph Coop from 2 conferences ago na hindi tumitira. Bro, you should shoot.
If you know, you know.
You're the best shooter in the history of the league, di ba? Tapos you're shooting just 2 shots.
Marshall,
See, 9 of
27.
16.
Tama nga. Against Ross
What
last time. 27, 9 for 16.
No import though. Wala niyan si Boatwright, so that could be a factor.
Still, hindi na pwede na 2 shots lang din. Di ba?
Yeah,
Kahit
bro.
nandiyan si Ben.
Alam mo ko yung game na yun yung tumira ng 4 points si Patton eh.
Yeah. Oh, tama.
Kasi last game ni Patton eh.
Last game na yun.
Oo
Last
nga.
game
Last
na yun.
game ni Patton.
Hindi
Last
kasi
day
yung
last day
when-
nung driver ni Patton.
Wednesday game yan eh. Tapos yung passport niya kasi mag-expire ng Friday kaya wala na siya sa
Passport issues pala yun.
yeah, passport issue, hindi yung attitude issue. Babalik yan next conference, next season.
Bet.
But yeah,
for
that's
SMB,
my
dude.
thing about San Miguel. They did not
For
adjust
SMB.
when Ross.
For SMB, Benny was a little too late. Right? That's well, in the same aspect kasi, you can't say he was too late kasi the moment he was done in Korea, he was in the Philippines.
Dire-diretso nga siya.
Yeah, so like, is he too late? Yes, pero wala rin silang magagawa. Maybe if you got a better import to start, that wasn't Lee, wasn't Patton, somebody na apparently you know pala the type of import that works well with you, 'di ba? Alam mo naman palang both right level yung kailangan mo. Dapat doon pa lang nakuha mo na 'yun. Hopefully they adjust next year. I know a friend of ours, si Alfred, na medyo malungkot kasi talo sila. But aside from that, dude, breath of fresh air. Hey, another champion. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be an SMB TNT finals for the very least. Might be there's a team whose path to the finals has
Yung
Alam
red
mo yung
carpet,
ilaw?
yeah.
kasi biglang umilaw eh. Like all of a sudden, the lights went on, and I think that's how you guys can talk about that one.
May gusto lang ko i-add sa
Go
San
ahead.
Miguel. Gusto ko lang i-mention na finally, yung 2-3 zone nila na adjustment, na ganun na rin against them. Kasi
Yeah.
parang
Yeah.
every time na ginagawa nila, for some reason, gumagana.
Nahuli
So,
na rin sila
finally-
dito.
Finally. Yun lang gusto ko sabihin. Tsaka yung Ross,
Oo nga,
tama
no?
si Grem, yung tapang. Kasi usually, di ba, when you attack a zone, 1-3, meron sa gitna, meron sa dunkers. Pero sila talaga lahat sa labas. So,
pag nag-zone yung San Miguel, kahit si Oftana sumasablay, no? Kahit libre, yung mga gano'n sila Pogoy, no? Pag
Oo, di
finals.
ba? Ito exception eh.
Yeah, there's always an exception. Pero yeah,
So,
it's ano eh. They had the chance. Bro, ang laki ng lamang ng Ross in the third quarter. At the end of the third, lamang pa ata yung San Miguel, di ba?
No,
Or
I
it's
think
probably a tied
I
game.
think ito sa tie game nga. Kasi
'Di
because of
ba?
the
Parang
assist
ganoon
yeah.
pa. So, talagang yung tapang ng Ross na, putya, pwede namang sabihin ng Ross, may game 2 naman kami, 'di ba? Pwede naman kaming bumawi sa Sunday. Pero no, gusto na lang tapusin agad this night or
tsaka
this
yung
game. So, yeah.
4 ni Karakot.
Karakot.
Nandun siya sa nakaabang tali siya. Parang gusto niya talaga ng bola eh.
Yeah.
Parang,
Bro,
teka lang, papasikat ako.
Pero kung SMB ka, ang sakit nung 4-point ni Karakot na yun. Kasi he just missed the 3.
Mhm.
Diba?
Oo.
And rebound, you go down, you score. It's a 3-point game, 2-point game. I don't know. Or something like that. But because you didn't rebound, which is crazy if you have Junmar Fajardo and Benny Boatwright, by the way. All of a sudden, Karakot gets the not really open, although medyo open, 4-point shot. You're down 8 or 10. That's a big difference in momentum. Last dagdag ko lang. CJ Perez, I think, was quite absent this whole conference. For me, I feel
Yeah.
like this conference wasn't a great CJ Perez conference. I don't have the reasons why, and I will not ever have the reasons why. So don't ask me why.
Roller coaster din yan si CJ, di ba? Yeah, great game, then bad game, then good game. It's also a roller coaster with CJ.
Bro, you know what? I have this thing na I don't know if CJ Perez and Junmar Fajardo really mesh well. Kasi,
Champion pa rin
Probinsya.
sila though.
yeah, champion
Probinsya.
sila.
Champions
That's
pa rin,
the-
multiple time champions pa rin though.
Pero bro, yung mga tao na si isa surround, Jokic and Jamal Murray, di ba? A shooter and a post-up big. That's how it works.
Okay, yeah.
Right? Do we consider CJ Perez a shooter? I don't think we
Streaky
would, diba?
shooter. Streaky
A
shooter.
very streaky one at
Very
that.
streaky one.
That guy scored 30 in the first quarter against
Actually.
us. And he is a
Was that
shooter.
off of shooting though, or was that, brother?
Mix of everything. It's a
Yeah.
mix of everything. Di ba?
Very streaky nga. Yun yung thing. He's
Oh,
very
he's-
streaky. That's the problem. I doubt SMB lets him go. Obviously, you shouldn't let go of
No.
TJ Perez unless you're getting Dwight Ramos or what's it called? I heard there's a name
Mike
coming.
Phillips?
Sunny Estate.
Sonny is
Yeah, that one you had to think about.
All right.
But yeah, at least,
Strike one.
diba? At least, man, for the last 2 conferences, sila talaga yung nagpapauwi sa atin. Finally, at least, makakahinga ng
Sige.
maluwag.
Okay na ba tayo sa
Like,
SMB? Meron pa ba
heading
tayo?
into Wednesday. No, I think heading into Wednesday, Ice, Mario, me, better mood. Better mood na parang finally di na San Miguel yung kalaban.
Yeah, for sure, man. Does it happen na so on Sunday, isa lang yung game, tama?
No, walang game sa Sunday.
Saturday?
Bukas.
Bukas.
Okay, I gets. Okay, sige.
All right. So move on to the second game. It's a blowout, winning by 31. Barangay Ginebra San Miguel winning 112-81 against Phoenix. Surprisingly, late lang namin na-notice kanina, kaming apat, na hindi naglaro si Francis Escandor sa laro na to. For, I don't know, is there an injury? Did I know of? That I don't know?
Not that I am.
There's none.
No. Wala. Yeah, nothing. It's really weird.
Unlike yung
no?
Kevin
Hindi
Alas
siya
na may article na nakita natin kahapon. But still, it's not like F naman could have changed the whole tide of the game. No? But,
To quote a pretty recent development, bakit nung naglalaro siya, di niyo siya hinahanap? Ba't nung naglalaro siya, sabi niyo, ba't wala siya dyan? Or, paano ba yun? Ano sabi niyo nun?
Yeah,
Bakit
nung naglalaro siya.
Bakit siya naglalaro?
nandyan.
Ganun.
Pag naglalaro siya, ayaw nung andan siya. Pero nung wala siya, biglang hinahanap niyo siya. Wag ganun, man.
Wag ganun.
Wag ganun, man.
Well, here's the thing, man. If you're a smoker, you can't stop right all of a sudden. Di ba kailangan mong unti-untiin? You
If
could
you're
have seen
looking-
3
you're looking
minutes.
for him, brother.
Yung Ponggay was there, di ba? So,
Actually, Ponggay was
Diba?
there.
Yeah, if Ponggay was there, I'm surprised he didn't play. In that
Right.
in those things, you'd assume he'd at least get some minutes. And then yung girlfriend niya.
baka na-traffic pa Antipolo, man.
Siya pa yung na-traffic
siya.
doon.
Wasn't he on the bench?
Nandun siya sa bench. Nandun siya.
Alright.
Nandun siya.
I don't know. Trying to think of reasons. But better team, told you it was gonna be boring.
We
Not
all
gonna
said
be
Hinebra in
close.
one, right? We all
You
said
can't keep
know,
Hinebra.
saying
I know.
told you. We all
I
agreed it
know.
was a blowout.
Wow. All right. But all I'm saying is during the quarterfinals preview, I said it's gonna be boring. It's not gonna be close. You can turn off your TV early. I mean, ako, wala akong kuryente during the game. So I was watching on my phone. Di na ako nagsayang ng battery, man. We're the better team. They're not on our level. Sorry if we hurt some feelings, but it is what it is. RJ Barrientos, best local player on the team. And again, Scotty Thompson starting to get his groove back. Really dangerous.
16, 9, and 9. Almost a
Yes, almost
triple-double.
triple-double, di ba? Plus 31, bro, in 33 minutes. Imagine if he played the whole game.
Yeah.
Plus 60.
Plus,
I would may
Hate this,
50.
dude. I hate you and Ice both do this, dude.
kaya
Man,
it's a
what-
bad idea bringing both of you here.
Bro, Sunny is still, bro, -6 ka pa rin.
Sis ka pa rin.
Hey,
Oy, si John
30
Abis
points
din ah.
hey, how dare you? There was somebody lower. Look at the -8. There
Oy,
was
si the
somebody
system.
lower.
Si the
There was
system.
someone lower. Don't you dare.
Bro, Raymond Aguilar, expected na yan di ba? Pero, first round pick, number 11, di ba? At least si Maya Gray naka plus 7, di ba? Even if hindi ba siya masyadong ramdam. Pero bro, I mean, we're just better than them. That's it. We played well after the second quarter.
Kita naman kanina. Yeah.
Yeah. And malaking factor yung super early foul trouble ni Jonathan Williams. 3 agad yan in the second quarter.
Yeah.
First ba or second quarter? Basta early foul trouble. Actually, hindi na nadagdagan, no? But doesn't matter because the game was out of hand. Pero, peaking at the right time, nobody's injured. Kakita ko lang sa group, Justin Brownlee daw has some hamstring tightness.
Hamstring?
So, I don't know if gaano kalaking factor
Ooh.
yun.
Dude, it's big. That's big. Hamstring
That's
tightness.
big, that's
It's
big,
big.
brother.
Mami.
That's
Pag
big.
hamstring? Diba, wasn't Luka hamstring?
Yeah. Well,
Compare.
I know.
But still, like don't talk about the severity of the injury. Like how when you have something sa hamstring that's weeks, minimum 1 to
I know.
2.
Well, to be fair, man,
Depends pa sa grade.
for Brownlee, he's had hamstring issues for a while, man. So
Sana ano lang.
I don't think it's obviously it's bad,
Yeah.
but it's not like oh no, we're gonna lose. He's not gonna play. It's not like that. He's not Luka Doncic going to Spain to get nothing done. You know what I mean? He'll probably still be able to play naman.
Bro, nakalaro nga yun na bali yun, di ba? Yung hinlalaki. Against
Yeah,
TNT.
Iba ang ano eh. Iba yung thumb or ano naman pag-hand
Sa lower
compared to
leg.
pag-leg sa pag-lower.
I know.
Higher.
But a bit concerning, pero with the current resurgence of RJ, medyo at least makakahinga ka na maluwag na alam mong may magte-take over scoring-wise kapag hindi kaya ni Brownlee. That's my thing.
On Ginebra. Confident ka ba sa team na to heading into the next round against Rain or Shine? Where are you? At least staying here muna. Sige, like seeing this Ginebra team against Phoenix.
Lagi
Sa
ko kasi
Ginebra
sinasabi, Lagi ko sinasabi, ready ako mag-alay ng championship ng Ginebra para sa Rain or Shine. Pero kasi
okay.
semifinals, tsaka mukhang malakas Ginebra ngayong conference. Wag muna. Alam mo yun?
Di ba? Next conference.
Tapos TNT, Bol TNT, mukhang hindi sila mukhang TNT, tapos Magnolia lang yung threat. Parang, pwede ba next time na lang, Rain or Shine?
Magnolia lang ang threat is such a sly, backhanded comment, man.
Wait for me.
Ano yun, diba? Ano yun? If there's a team we'll lose to, at least it will be Ross, diba?
Sana dire-diretso. You lose the
Oo,
eventual
dire-diretso
champion
yun.
sana.
Oo, yun.
Kasi hindi rin ako confident na mananalo ang Ross
Sa TNT.
sa TNT o
umabot.
Magnolia. Pero kung Ginebra yung nasa finals.
Ay, confident ako sa Ross versus Magnolia for some reason.
Bro, I know they're fucking us today, but
They're
did
what?
did Meralco get eliminated or something? But
They're what?
usapan yung Meralco. Yeah,
Ay,
Meralco is
oo nga
fucking
pala,
everyone
no?
today, man. Meralco's still alive.
You could have
The
said fucking
scariest-
with us, you know what I mean? You didn't need to say
Yeah, it's
fucking
with us. It's with us, not
You
us.
forgot one word, which matters.
Us.
Pasensya na.
Alright, I know Meralcos pang with us today, man. Pero
Yan.
they're still alive. Tinambakan tayo
Sorry,
niya ng
sorry.
25, but
Sorry,
we
sorry.
know what happened there. Pero, yeah, I know.
Pasensya na,
Pero
pasensya na.
brother, I think we're the best team left, ano?
Parang.
Yeah, objectively, even if I'm a Hinebra hater, matatakot ako sa Hinebra ngayon kasi they're a well-oiled machine. Yung health lang talaga ni JB. Pero yeah, I don't know kung paano nyo nagagawa yan, Ice and the other people na okay lang ako, masaya ako pag natalo yung Hinebra basta sa Ross. I'm not happy. No way I'm gonna be happy with my team losing. No way. No way.
No,
But
like,
yeah.
nagsimula kasi yung statement ko na yan nung medyo Tony Bishop era, gano'n.
bro,
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Thanks for for
Or
sharing.
yung, di ba yung may panahon na parang lahat ng possession nila assistant isolation? Yung mga panahon na
Yeah.
yun. Diba, willing
San
ako
Miguel yun
ibigay.
against Benny Boatwright yun eh.
Willing ako yung ganun. Pero ngayon parang, no. Yung weakness nila na RJ dati, ngayon strength na nila.
Straight na si RJ ngayon.
So,
We have to see though sa semis and actually RJ comes up big pero hindi consistent sa playoffs. Meron pa rin siyang down moments.
But that's previous RJ.
Unlike
Iba na yung RJ.
yeah. We'll see nga ito.
It's been
Ito
one
yung
day,
best
man.
version
How would we
niya.
know that?
Yeah,
It's
it's
RJ.
ito yung best version ni RJ. We'll see if makikita pa rin natin siya in the semis and sa finals if they make it. Kasi yung sinasabi ko lagi kay Cancino, he comes up small in the playoffs. And kahapon nakita na naman, di ba? Sorry,
Comes
isang
up
araw
short.
pala nakita na naman.
Short.
Yep. Yeah, in the
Small.
playoffs, di ba?
Comes up short.
Yeah, short and small. It's the same thing. But
No, it's
ito
not.
si RJ, at least medyo mas confident ako ngayon na he's gonna be that guy for us. And if wala, then we still have the other guys. I mean,
Scotty.
Japet, I'm gonna be honest with you. Japet is not hurting us this conference. Kagaya dati.
he's not
And
playing a lot
hindi niya-
He's been
Sabagay.
he's been on the shelf, Graham. He's been on the shelf. Kaya di mo talaga marado.
Ano yun, parang yung aso mo,
brother,
hindi nakakagat yan, nakatali eh.
Nakatali.
Can't mess up if you're not in the game. What you want to? But then, no. When he's played, he's been good. I'll say that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
tama.
that's
Yeah, that's I think
That's
that's what you're trying to say. Which I think that's what you're
In Mario Ice Nico, wala si Junmar next series, di ba? So wala tayo magiging sakit
Gagi,
ng
malakas
ulo
ang
na...
Ross ngayon. Medyo iba ang
Bro, it
ng
doesn't-
Ross ngayon.
Bro, it doesn't matter. Hindi si Japit kagaya ni Junmar na iiwan
Bawal ka
sa
mag-backtrack ha, parang simula na yung series ha.
takbuhan. Yes!
No.
Hinebra in 5!
The Hinebra, di siya
Whoa!
mag-backtrack.
Hinebra in 5!
Inebra in 5. Pati ikaw,
No.
you just said this. Wala lang, inaano mo lang si Graham.
Stop lang.
I think
just-
it's Hinebra in 6 naman. I think it's Hinebra though, but it's Hinebra in 6. Wag ka
Ice.
na mag-predict ice. Masasabi tayong Hinebra.
Barangay breakdown ka, bro. Hindi pwede. Hindi to Ross breakdown. ha?
I-reserve it
Hindi
for
ba-
your channel, brother.
Hindi.
Pero, yeah.
Ano?
Leaning ako towards 5.
Ha? Inebra,
Kasi yung,
pares
okay,
talaga kayo ni Grim.
yung Rain or Shine San Miguel kasi, polar opposites. Pero yung
Okay.
Ginebra ngayon kasi, kaya nilang magbabagal, pero kaya nilang
Kaya rin
sumabay
nila,
sa takbuhan.
kaya rin nila makipagsabayan din. Oo.
So if takbuhan ng laro, kayang sumabay ng Ginebra, pero kaya ring bagalan ng Ginebra.
Yeah. And my
Ako
thing
feel ko 7
with
to
that,
Ginebra and 7 ako dito.
yeah, okay, that's fine as long as Ginebra
May-
wins. My thing with that is yung Rain or Shine. Wala silang gwardiya na kagaya ni nila Jericho, nila Chris Ross. Nakakainin si RJ sa
Yeah.
poste.
Na malaki.
Wala silang ganun
Sino
eh.
nga ba?
Diba?
Look at
Sinokom lang. Actually,
Nokum,
Sinokom lang
yeah.
yung pumaposte
Nokum
sa
plays in the
kanila.
post,
Pero
yeah.
pwede mo itago si RJ eh, di ba? Unlike pag San Miguel yung kalaban na
Would you put like Clarito?
talagang papagod siya.
Si Clarito.
Hindi.
No.
Hindi rin.
Mag-post up. You put Holt. There's no chance. Have a chance. Not
Actually,
RJ,
that's
not
right.
Clarito. The one you could be worried about for me.
Ma'am,
The one you could be worried about for me in this series is Gian Mamuyak.
Yeah, maamukad.
If you're
Yan yung pwede pumoste pa kay RJ.
yan yung
Sabi.
pwedeng pumutok
Mamu.
against Ginebra. And he's shown na gusto niya talk against Ginebra. But what about the semis?
Yeah.
You know, man, you get it.
No, I'm
Sa
just
mga
looking ahead.
Man,
close out.
yeah.
Ma'am.
In this Phoenix game naman.
Wala kasi talagang
Number one, I don't know what Will Gozum has done to Coach Charles. Bata niya yun dati, 8 minutes. That's Gozum is what was he, number 8 in the draft? Number 5 in the draft? What is it? I forgot.
Basta first round. Ito ka rin mga
But I'm
number.
telling you, he's getting more minutes than the number 5 pick, Yukin Andrada. or number 6 pick Yuki Andrada. I don't know kung
Wala naman siyang ginawa
pareho sila.
siguro. He just really has to pick up the
First of all,
PBA game.
hindi niya kaposisyon si Jonathan Williams. Actually, si Toffin and si Perkins.
Bro,
pa.
Ando gets more minutes than him.
Yeah, actually.
Dave Ando, more minutes than Will Gozum. That shouldn't be. Well, it happens, but what can I do?
Mga injuries rin ni Will, Mario. I think let's not forget the injuries that happened in the MPBL. For sure.
Bro, sa game na to, admittedly, ang ganda nung depensa kay Toffin, Perkins, and Tyler Tio.
Tyler, yeah.
Bro, they're gonna have a hard night when their defense is like that from Ginebra. Richie will do Richie things, and Richie is slowly becoming the number 1 player of Phoenix. Pero yung Toffin, Perkins, and Tio, if you couldn't even get 10 points out of them, wala kang magagawa.
Wala nga.
Bro, alam mo, dali lang talunin ng Phoenix. Sara mo lang yung kaliwa. Because Jonathan Williams, who's that? Jason Perkins and Ken Toffin, whatever happens, they'll go left.
Yeah, the lefties.
So, yeah, that's how you do it. And again, di nga nakatulong yung early foul trouble ni Jonathan Williams. So, it's just outmatched. Again, I told you na if there's one guy na makakabantay kay Jonathan Williams, it's gonna be Japet, and he did a good job. So, it was boring, sayang, not a lot of talking points, but it is what it is.
So really the second and third quarter talagang bumulusok.
Bro, yung second quarter. Actually, yung third quarter, parang aasahan mo, medyo lalamlam yung Ginebra kasi they're up 16.
Dire-diretso. Parang di mo tapos yung second quarter.
Binaon pa talaga nila
yung BPI?
I think so. Brother, hindi lang pinasok sa San Estel, baka 40 yung lamang natin dyan.
Hey. Pero then again, Phoenix with no, what do you call this? Si Kai Balungay could have helped tremendously.
Oh yeah, for sure naman yun.
I agree.
That one's not in doubt. Kai, if Kai played, they would have lost by 12. But there's still probably
12?
Yeah.
Dude, okay talaga si Kai Balungay. Iba talagang
Kai Balungay
he brings
is good,
something different.
Yeah. Kai Balungay is one of the guys I actually am very high on. And that's not because I'm from Ateneo.
Actually, gusto ko nga siya kunin versus RJ nun eh. But obviously, I was wrong.
But,
there were discussions, di ba? Between him, RJ, and Kaylan.
Yeah. That's a good set ng face card, ah. Kaylan, RJ, Kai. That's a good
parang
face card.
madali naman yan eh.
Yeah. Oh, madali.
Madali yun.
But for Phoenix, brother, good conference. First conference mo under Coach Charles. That's a good.
Mabot na playoffs without Kai Balungay pa.
Yeah, no Kai Balungay. Changed the import because
outside noise pa, dagdag pa yung outside noise na nangyayari ngayon, 'di ba? So
other import did a little something.
Na outside noise din.
Na outside noise din.
Yeah. And then, yun nga, you had injuries also for a decent amount of his conference. Richie didn't play the last 2 games. Perkins, I think, missed a few games as well. Tyler, I think, missed a few games at the start of the season. So, for a first conference under Coach Charles, you're fine. You're kulang. What are they drafting at? Number 5 this conference, I would say. Something like that. Next draft.
Tagal pa, hindi ko pa alam. Next year pa yun. Tagal pa yun, Mario. I don't know. You don't
But
know
they're kulang like Harold Alarcon. You know what I mean?
Between the UP boys, yesterday was Abadiano. Now it's
shot creators sila. They're shot creators.
Name Grim. Who else would I name? They don't need Kian Baklaan kasi Baklaan's a point guard, brother. And to be fair, they could benefit from a Baklaan type of player, yung pure
off
point
the bench.
Guard. Oh, pure point guard na scorer. Pwede si Baklaan dun. They need a center? Yes, they do need a center. Kasi actually no, they very much need a center. They won't get Mike Phillips because he's going to green and then red. They're not gonna get. Who else are the other centers in that draft? Raven Cortez? Raven Gonzalez pala. Sorry. Raven Gonzalez. Pwede, I guess. QMB, I doubt he's gonna declare for the draft. But yeah, you're still looking for that final piece na center talaga. If you're Phoenix, you're the same as NLEX.
Walang
always
center.
You need a center who can really play the center position. Every other team, I think, at this point has one. Ginebra has
multiple.
4.
Sino sa Magnolia?
Laput.
Ay,
Right now,
wait,
it's
Ian nga pala.
Chapman.
Ian. No, Ian nga pala. No, I'm talking about local. Of course.
Sangga lang. Yeah,
Sangga lang,
they
may
have
sangga
to.
lang pa.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Ross still has Villegas. Ross has
Tattoo,
uh,
eventually.
Si
Wait, that-
Datu pag
Datu.
bumalik.
Hindi mo ba nag-retire na si Keith Dato? Nakita mo yung post niya? Guys?
He did.
Hiatus lang siya.
he said,
Ano yun?
Nasa
he-
bench.
for the
Nag-hiatus
vibes
lang
lang
daw
yun, for
siya.
the vibes lang.
Yung drama lang. Nagdadrama lang. Di ba he made like a
I
Facebook
think
post?
merong reason. Meron siyang
Yung
reason.
parang coaching ata, parang ganun.
Yeah.
Ganun ba?
For
Kala-
players,
Again, if you
mindset
get paid the
something.
same, then why exert effort?
Parang he retired yata before siya yung 3x3 na PBA. Yun ata yung
Yeah,
pagbalik niya. So parang yun yung ata yung nire-reference niya as far as I know. Pero nasa bench siya kanina. Nakita ko siya kanina.
Yeah, nakita na doon mga siya kanina.
You can unretire. You're still losing to Ginebra.
Tayo napapaaway.
I don't care.
Okay.
Bro, one last thing. Heading into this semifinals, yung Ross Ginebra. A lot of people will say, oh, luto na naman sa Ginebra, blah, blah, blah. Just because si Coach Ching is always vocal. It's not always luto. But yeah, that's just the preparation. Kasi sabihin naman, nakakapihan ng referee Ginebra. Bro, kinakapihan kami ng referee, tagal namin nag-champion. Last time Ginebra won a championship, 3 years ago. That was my wife and I's 5th anniversary. We've been dating for 8 years. Hindi pa rin kami nag-champion ulit. So I think this is the time.
Yeah. So
Kailan
those who
na
are
champion,
confused-
Ross?
for those who are confused, Graham calls his girlfriend his wife. That's why they're still.
Yeah, that's a bit personal. Pero man, it's been 3 years. It's been 3. I think Ice, this is the time. Wala si RHJ di ba?
Mhm.
So, yeah, wala yung tinik.
Yeah. Brother, like this is literally best chance ng Ginebra to win a
Yes.
championship. Ross did you a favor. They eliminated SMB, right?
Actually, hindi
TNT.
rin ako takot sa SMB, man. Sa TNT ako
Grabe,
mas
bawi bigla. My God.
Not afraid. Not
Dude,
afraid.
of course you're gonna say that. They're not
Tanggal na sila eh.
us anymore.
Nalo na, nag-check na.
Tanggal na sila eh. Wala,
Bro, like, come on, dude. I bet, okay, so let's say if Phoenix beat OKC in the first round, they'll be like, actually, I wasn't scared of Oklahoma.
Actually, I wanted to. No, bro. Listen, man. I told you this before. 6-0 Brownlee against San Miguel in the playoffs all time, whether it's twice to beat or any kind of series. Of all the conferences, twice lang siya di nakarating sa finals. One time was against Magnolia, and pinagbigyan si Romeo Travis because tagal na hindi nagcha-champion. The other one was against Terrence Jones. So he's a customer in the finals. I'm not afraid of anyone pag nandiyan si Brownlee, probably against RHJ. Pero, you know, this is the best chance. This is the best chance they have. They're the best team remaining.
Yeah. Before we go, Eyes, you're one of the we never got to ask you, brother, since the games are tomorrow. Who you got? NLEX TNT?
Yeah.
Yes,
and,
yeah. Let's put you on the
okay.
spot. Kasi lagi na lang kami yung nasusunog dito.
Kami na
Okay,
naman yung may,
Kami naman
yung may
yung-
hater. Ka-hater ka naman. Kahit isa pa.
Ikaw naman. Pero damay tayo dito.
Sige. Unfortunately, di ko to mapapanood bukas.
Guess
for you.
Pero,
Good for you.
I have
Oh.
first game,
Hmm.
kahit naman nasa bahay ako, day off sa akin tong matchup na to. So, first
Oh.
first game, Magnolia ako. And then
Magnolia.
Yes, sir!
Enle.
Yung
NLEX ka? Okay.
All right, we're on the
Just
same
because,
boat. Mario,
like,
on the record.
realistically, TNT yan. Pero, NLEX ako.
Why are you picking NLEX?
Out of,
He's speaking with his heart. not his
bias. Oh, with my heart.
Yeah.
Alam ko naman na si Berto off game bukas. Walang magko-contribute na iba.
Alam na yun. Alam na natin yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Ball.
Mario,
drop.
again, on the record, have NLEX tomorrow. Okay,
Okay,
so
let's just go final on the record. What everybody's
Yeah.
picking.
O, TNT yung 2 pa rin ako. I said TNT yung 2 naman.
No, you were NX
I
in
will-
one first. Now you're
Oh, yeah.
TNT.
No. I have to pick TNT here. Sorry. I have to pick TNT.
Okay.
Mario,
I'm still NLEX. I'm still NLEX for
I'm
tomorrow.
still NLEX tomorrow.
Yes,
I
So,
Okay.
yung tatlo NLEX.
Yeah.
Magnolia
Yeah,
ako
yeah,
bukas.
yeah.
Grabe yun, men. Yung dating employee ng NLEX, siya pa yung dinamili ng NLEX.
Sorry. I mean, NDA rather,
Come
non-disclosure.
on,
Pero,
tell us.
yeah, tatlo tayong
Wala na yung van. Wala na yung van.
Nico TNT. And
Hindi pala
tatlo
van,
tayong
L300
Magnolia.
pala.
And then for the Magnolia
Meralco ka.
series, I think ako lang
Magnolia.
Yeah,
Meralco.
I got Magnolia. Brother,
Ano ka,
Manila
Ice? Ay,
Classico
Magnolia ka, di ba?
Finals.
Magnolia,
Meralco ako,
Magnolia.
Meralco. Ice is Meralco.
Mario,
Magnolia.
Magnolia,
Mario,
Magnolia.
Manila Classico Finals? Sounds interesting.
Gusto ko yan. Manila Classico Finals.
Sounds interesting.
Ayoko ng Manila
CLP.
Classico. Bro, I'll tell you why I don't want the Manila Classico finals. Because I will hear
Yeah, I
all
know.
of the sister team talks
Yeah.
on the planet, brother.
Actually, mahirap.
I would rather face NLEX na alam kong tatalunin natin. Even if they say, oh,
Pero
boring
laban,
series.
laban si Berto sa ano? Inebra?
Laban si Berto sa
Laban si
SMB,
Berto
sa
sa
Inebra.
Inebra. Basta SMB, Inebra.
Yeah. But
Yung
that's scary si Berto, diba?
Oo. May debuff si Berto kasi TNT.
Basta SMC at basta SMC kalaban, 'di ba?
Oo.
As a former employer of SMC, sister team. Northport
Yung
siya.
Magnolia
Northport
Ginebra,
siya.
hayaan nila
Oh.
maglaban yan.
Yeah. And then,
I don't think hahayaan nila maglaban yun. To be honest with you.
tomorrow?
Game 7.
No, I mean, pag Manila Classico Finals, I don't think kahayaan lang nila maglaban yun. Like, there will be
O baka
those
gawin na ng mga
games na-
reference ha. Sabi ni Nico Rocha, nalala niyo yun. Love
Guys, thanks for
sinasabi.
watching the Nico Rocha podcast.
Kawang hanap parapan.
Anyway, guys, first of all, Ice, once again, thank you for coming. Sama ka ulit sa
Uy, Graham, na-post mo ba?
yung teaser
Yeah, I
mo.
did.
Ayun.
I'll post this rin naman agad. Wala, yung teaser lang sa group na nagre-record tayo. Yun lang.
Yeah, people
Na
love
tayong apat.
But yeah, I think PBA give us some tickets, man, sa finals.
Oo nga.
Please.
Game pa rin ba yung
Someday.
ano natin? Pag nag-champion.
Ano ulit,
Oo, man, why
ano ulit
not?
sabi nyo? Ano ulit
Kung
sabi
tayo
nyo?
sa labas ng Araneta mag-record,
Mag-champion.
man. It's nag-champion.
Sa masarap naman ng restaurant, harap naman tayo ng restaurant. Na may saksakan.
Araneta.
Yeah. I don't know, who knows MOA, right?
Actually, sa video room, sana pa. Hindi ako. Kakahiya.
Yeah.
Hiya ako sa video room, nag-record tayo dun. Kala mo star tayo. Sa harap na lang tayo ng
Bro,
restaurant sa
I'm
labas.
planning a lot of things.
Bandiat ako din.
Nag-start na ako mag-buy ng props for the championship.
Sagot ni Graham sa Wolfgang para champion ni Nebra. Doon
Wow.
tayo mag-record. May mga saksakan sa
Graham.
Inebra.
Because you already decided to predict so early, I feel like you should have a consequence if Ross wins, right?
Oh.
I'll shave my hair.
Wala ka ng buo sa ilalim.
Shave my head. What do you mean? You already did it.
The other hand.
God did
Nah.
that for you.
I'm very confident, man. This is not
That's what
just
I'm saying.
BS.
What's the consequence if you? I
Pag
don't want
mali
to
ka,
hear
diba?
this whole. I don't want to hear this whole. I'm gonna do the episode naked. Nobody wants to see that. Okay. I don't wanna, so give me something we can actually
I
believe that we'd want. To,
Oo.
Joke lang.
Sige, kayo na lang mag-record.
Ayan.
Kayo na lang mag-record.
Joke lang.
Yung sinasabi nila, gusto nila makitang Graham and I's episode. Ibang episode pala yun.
Ay, actually, kung may gagawa ng face card episode silang dalawa.
Sila dalawa lang. Yun pala. Anyway, Graham, what's the consequence, brother?
I don't know. We'll think about it. It's not gonna happen. Yeah, we'll think about it.
Bibigyan mo sa amin yung mga back products mo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Graham, you'll give us your brand new car.
No, brother Eric Nanas just posted photo na dinner nila kasama si Bella Belen, Leila Cruz, and Pia. Oh my God.
Bro, okay. Guys, in the comment section below, please let us know if you believe Dre and Bella are actually dating.
I'm so confused. I really don't know what's happening.
Apparently, this is a big deal for one of the bald ones here. It's a big
Bro,
deal for him, apparently, man.
Si Bella kasi yung pinakamasarap i-ship kasi sasakyan niya talaga kahit sino. Doesn't matter, bro. Sasakyan talaga
Bro,
ni
kahit
Bella.
nga si Jade.
Right?
kahit si
Diba?
Jade.
Saka gano'n nga siya eh.
Yeah, it's,
Gano'n,
Yeah.
di niya nga sinakyan yun eh. Dapat nga yan.
Hindi, bro, sinakyan niya yun. Bro, favorite niya si Jade. Pinagtalk
yeah,
pa na namin.
man.
Okay, I don't know. Anyway.
It's
Yeah.
crazy.
So anyway, this is the day 2 recap of quarterfinals. Follow 5 Story on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico, Mario, Graham, and Ice here of Buckets. #, Barangay Breakdown. See you guys next time. Peace.
Aris amigos, winning the championship.